Hey everybody, it's me, Scott from HPR Product Review, and today we're looking at the BLUEAIR Bedroom Air Purifier. And the first word that pops into my mind when thinking about this product is amazing. And here's why. First of all, it looks nice. It's beautiful. It's actually not that heavy. It may look big, but it's really not that big. In fact, I've got two of these and they kind of just disappear into the background. You don't even notice them. When they're on, they don't really make any noise. And there's a variety of models you can buy with some varying functionalities, but they are all incredible workhorses when it comes to purifying the air. And what I mean by that is that this thing will filter out the air within the hour. And this is an Energy Star rated purifier, so it uses less energy, so you can save more in your bank account. And you're saving the planet. And for those of you with asthma or allergies or both, this is going to remove 99.99% of pollen. It also helps remove odors in the room. And they last. I've had this for at least 3 years now, and this thing is still quiet, still rolling along, and again, still looks great. So if you're in the market for an air purifier, this is the one I would recommend for sure. 2 thumbs up.